everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a new box to my channel called the Beauty Box. Now it's by Bombay and Cedar, and about a month ago, I think it was a month ago, but time is just meshing together. You feel me on that one? I had asked in my Ipsy Plus video for recommendations for a new beauty box. And so I got a lot of great recommendations. So I really appreciate you leaving the comments and telling me what your favorite beauty box was. And one of them stood out to me because it was one that I've been watching the lifestyle box for a while. And yeah, it was the Bombay and Cedar beauty box. So I decided to go with this one. And I saw my friend Aisha from Roll Reviews. She had unboxed her lifestyle box for the Bombay and Cedar. So I jumped on her link and I was able to get $7 off of the beauty box. So I was super excited. The box is normally $31.95 a month, but I got the $7 off. Free shipping. You know I'm a sucker for free shipping, right? So that was a plus. And I can't remember how many products you get in here. I think I wiped down about 6 or 7. Yeah, I cleaned them all. So I did put everything back in because I wanted you to see how beautiful the box was. It's been quarantining. This box does come towards the end of the month, which I really like because a lot of the times we get our boxes in the beginning of the month or we get them in the middle of the month. So this is something to look forward to towards the end of the month. It's April 20 something. It's the end of the month. And I got this on April 20 something a couple days ago. Yeah, it was still in the 20 something, so it's ready to go. It's been quarantined for a couple of days and yeah, it's all been wiped, and so we're gonna see what's inside. So, all right, did I tell you everything you need to know? If not, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. Oh, I didn't show you. The inside is really pretty too. It says, "Say hello to clean beauty." I don't remember, did I tell you that it's vegan and cruelty free? It's pretty bad. I can't remember that, but it's been happening a lot lately, so I'm sorry. I did not tell you that it comes with a card, and I took the card out. I have it here, so we'll keep it right next to me so we can refer back to it. It tells you about the product and the value. But what I noticed when I was wiping the products down is that there's more information on the actual product itself. I'll just refer back to that for the value. So the first thing that we have is by Skin Vita. Now this is the Naranji Marigold Toner. So here it is, and it says squirt the spray gel toner onto a cotton wool and rub into face and neck. Can also be applied directly by spraying all over face and neck. Benefits: tones the skin and helps tighten pores. The mineral complex helps activate the ATP cycle and boosts circulation while combating free radicals. It also helps reduce water loss from the skin. A go-to product that can be sprayed any time of the day for instant hydration. The key herb is sweet orange oil. This stress-releasing botanical oil helps alleviate anxiety and is known for its detoxifying and toning properties. So that's really nice. Now with these sprays, like the hydrating sprays and mists that we've gotten, I like to keep them in the fridge in the summertime. So on like a hot summer day, you come inside and you just kind of spray your face. I'm gonna spray my hand first and see if I like the scent of it. Ooh, that's really nice. I do smell a little bit of the citrus. That's really nice. All right, I'll spray my face. Oops, I wasn't really good at that. That was terrible, but yeah, oh, it feels really nice on my skin. That's very refreshing. Oh, I like this a lot. Did I show you the bottle? It's a good sized bottle too. And did I tell you it's valued at not 34. $32. This is valued at $32. Okay. Oh, I'm excited about that. All right, next up. This is by Evo Beauty. I'll tell you, this is valued at $21. And this is a primer, a moisturizing primer. So let's take it out. Put the box right there. Actually, I need the box. I need to read about it. So this says, smooth a dime size of primer over clean, moisturized skin before applying foundation. Enjoy longer lasting makeup. I don't think it says any more about it. So let me go back to the sheet. No, it just says moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation. So let's just try it on my hand. Oh, it's got one of these pumps. I like that. that feels nice. Oh, I don't know if I like the smell of that. Oh, I don't know. So it's not like a strong scent. It's very subtle, but I can't describe it. I'm just worried about putting it on my face closer to my nose, because like if I put my hand down, I can't smell it, but you know, it's gonna be on my face. So I don't know. I'll report back to you once I use it on my face. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow and see. Yeah, strange. Okay, now this is by Noto. I think it's Noto, that's how you say it. Noto Botanics, the Hydra Highlighter Pot. $26.50 is the value. Perfect for temples, eyelids, cupid's bow, collarbones, shoulders, and legs. So here's the little box. And let's see if it says anything else that we need to know. It just lists the ingredients on each of the boxes. Face and body. All right, it's a highlighter. Look at how dark the color is. I kind of like that though. It'll be good for summertime when I've got a little bit of a tan going on. Let me see. Oh, I just scratched it all up. I'm trying to swatch it for you. Let's see. It's very hard to, ooh. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but it's really nice. It gives you a little bit of shine. Can you see that? Yeah, it's a little bit dark, but once I get a little tan going, yeah, I like that. I like the smell of it too. Oh, that's nice. So this is good. I like getting highlighters, and I feel like some highlighters are too bold for me. They're too much for me because I like to do more of a natural look anyway. So this is nice to have because it is a little bit more subtle. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So the next thing I see, this is a lip color, it looks like. And this is by, where is it? By Cupid and Psych Beauty, made from pure minerals. 23, wait a minute, is this the one I have? Yeah, $23 value, because there was another option that you could get, but I got this one. $23 value. Let's see if it says anything about it. Nope. I love the color. Let's see. Hang on. The color that I got is called, I think, Gaia, that's how you say it? Oh, wow. That's a good color for spring. I do have lipstick on right now, but I'll swatch it on my hand. Ooh, I really like that. Look how pretty. That's a good color for spring. Oh, I'm really happy with this. I love getting lipsticks too. Oh, I'm so excited. This and the toner I think are my favorite in the box. Yep. All right, and then next I have, this is by Evo Beauty, it looks like. And let's see, it's a concealer brush. Need to say bye-bye to imperfections. Expertly created to help hide those pesky flaws, leaving you perfect. So here's the brush. Oh, you're not seeing the tip of the brush, are you? Let me take it out. Hang on. Here it is. So it says it's a concealer brush, but you know, this might be a good, what could you use this for? Let me know. Yeah, it says concealer brush, but I don't know. I tend to put my concealer on with my fingers, but you let me know. What do? Do you use a brush or do you use your fingers? Sometimes I've tried like the sponges, but I prefer to use my hands. I feel like I can put it on easier and yeah. All right, now lastly we have, this is the Pore Perfect Primer by Evo Beauty. Nope. It's not the Pore Perfect Primer. It is by Evo Beauty, so you gotta forgive me on that because it's the same brand as the primer, okay? This is the Cream Concealer by Evo Beauty. It's valued at $12, and it says a cream concealer from Evo's Never Conceal Character Collection. Also works great as a natural highlight, contour, or lip gloss. Ooh, a lip gloss base. That's interesting. So it says all-in-one concealer. Let's see. Oh, this is dark. Yeah, I think they got it a little bit mixed up. This is too dark for me, so I don't want to swatch it if I can't use it. So I might contact them. If not, then I'll just find somebody that can use this because, yeah, it's too dark. I'm not going to swatch it, so I'm sorry, but Let's open it so we can see what the applicator looks like. So here you go. Yeah, but that's too dark. Oh, bummer, but that's all right, it happens, right? So I thought this was a pretty good box. I love the toner. I think I'll get a lot of use out of that. And I'm really excited for the lip color. So actually, you know what? Let me go try the lip color on so I can show you. I'm gonna wipe off my lipstick and I'll be right back. So hang on one second. Okay, I'm back and I'm a little bit closer so you can see the lip color. I think it's so pretty, isn't it? It's very light, it's a very light pink. So again, here's the color. That's what it looks like on my lips. I really like it. You know, I've been on the hunt for an everyday lipstick. Don't get me wrong, I love a bold lip. I love, you know, a good red lip, burgundies, but I struggle with wearing like the nude colors just because of my skin tone. They wash me out. I can't wear them. And I've been looking for a good everyday lipstick where, you know, something that doesn't stand out much but still gives you a little bit of color. This is perfect. I'm really happy to have this. And the formula feels so nice. It feels so smooth. I put on like 2 layers of it. Feels great. I'm so happy. This was the winner. This lipstick was the winner. Now this is by Cupid and Psych. So I'm super psyched to have this. So yeah, I thought it was a good box. This takes the medal, but the toner is a close runner-up. So yeah, but I will use pretty much everything. The only thing I can't use is the concealer. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. What'd you think of the Bombay and Cedar beauty box? I thought it was pretty good. So I hope you're all doing well. Please stay healthy, please stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video.